So there are a few other design controls other than the logo and title and template and style editor that I think we should go over here. So you also have a checkout page style editor. Okay, so when you're actually selling physical products, you see here's an example of a checkout page at Brittany's. Okay, you could actually um, change the way this is going to look, where people put their email, their order summary, showing their shopping cart, payment, and all that. So you could actually change background, the site logo. So here's the site logo. Now it's showing the logo that we had installed, or you could take it out. Okay, and also you could change header color, header border color, etc., etc. All right. And so that's kind of the same thing, but this is more just for the commerce section of your site when people are actually purchasing stuff. And then you have the lock screen. So the lock screen is if you have a lock, as we had discussed earlier on your website, where you have to put a password, you can actually change the layout of it. So you can make it look like this, for example, secured area, or whatever you want to do with it. And let's go back here. And you can actually change the branding and text, like add a logo, right? And put the image of that logo that you want to have in here and really customize it. This is good if you're still building the website and just want to make it obvious that you own this domain, but that maybe the website is still being worked on. Like you could say this website is currently under production, and then the lock icon is there. You could display it, not display it. And that's really up to you how you want to design that. Let's go back. All right, so there's also the announcement bar, which you're going to need an upgraded membership. And we haven't upgraded this yet because we're just, this is just really a account I made just to demonstrate to you how it works. But you would have to upgrade, and you could enable and disable the announcement bar, and which is a featured message in a bar across the top of your website. And so maybe like during holiday sales, you could have it going across like 50% off or whatever kind of announcements you want to make to your visitors. And then you have the mobile information bar, which it shows a simple notification tray to visitors on mobile devices, as it says right here. But in order to do that, you need an upgraded account too, and you can enable it and disable it right here. Okay, and then there's the Squarespace badge. So the Squarespace badge, you can actually enable it. So let's say we enable here. You'll see now there's a badge and it says powered by Squarespace. You see that? We had already deleted the writing down here, which was part of the template. Now there's a badge too. So, I mean, here you could determine where it shows. I don't know why you would want that to show anywhere, to be honest, because you want your website to be about your brand, not about Squarespace. So if you want it for any reason, you could leave it there, or you could actually disable it altogether and it will not show anywhere on the page. Okay? And then custom CSS is a place where you can actually inject custom CSS rules into your site. And you need to have knowledge of coding in order to do this. But if you do have something you wanted to inject, this is where you can do it. Okay. And then come to advanced, and it allows you to enter your typekit ID. And this will allow you to enable custom fonts on your site. So if you have a typekit kit ID, you can go ahead and enter that here. A little bit more advanced stuff, not absolutely necessary for designing the website.